Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Look what I've got here. Sam's bead box for the month of February 2022. It's called Dawn and Dusk. I cracked this, but I have not looked in yet. I usually am like in a candy store with the beads. So it says, hi everyone, Rachel here, Sam's sister. I just moved from Wisconsin to California, bye-bye freezing temps, and I am now an official member of the team at Sam's Bead Shop. Here's some fun facts to introduce myself. And then it goes down. Vivid colors, the sky, the sun across the horizon, from rich fuchsias and purples to bright topaz and contrasting deep blues. And here's a list of everything. So, adjust my camera just a little bit. I think it's a little too close. I actually have this mat. I will make a confession and show you. I'm in the middle of working on something here. So it's like a disaster area here, and I'm in the middle of working on something. I'm going to show you guys. I didn't want to move it, so I just put this mat over. I know I'm not the first beader to do this. Ooh. Oh, I'm in love already. Okay, so let's see. Ooh. Oh, yes, please. Ooh. Look at those swirl rondelles. Oh. I will say they never cease to amaze me. Oh. Indian cut carnelian. Oh, okay. Okay. So let's get started here. I'm not going to go by the list because everything's already on here. So this is check glass rice rectangular lavender amethyst luster 6x3 millimeter. Okay. I just got off my spin bike, so my hands were a little shaky. Oh, are these gorgeous? Oh, these are absolutely beautiful. The holes look really nice. I just love Sam's bead box. Absolutely love them. I'll pick this one. Check glass swirl rondelle lavender amethyst luster 6x5 millimeter, 10 grams. Ooh. So pretty. Oh my gosh, my imagination is running wild with this already. Let's see. Chevron amethyst round 8 millimeter 7-inch strand. I love the color combination. Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Rachel and Sam did a very good job this month. Oh, and we also get our little thank you mints. I always put those in my purse. Check glass fire polish faceted round pink tourmaline 8 millimeter, 20 pieces. Oh, look at these. So pretty. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Check glass struck round cobalt AB 6 millimeter, 50 pieces. There's just a few of them. I didn't pour them all out, and you can see them better. So pretty. Check glass nugget chip cobalt 4 by 5.5 millimeter, 60 pieces. Ooh, I love when they, I love when they give us different shapes and textures in the beads, like they're not all round. So pretty. a rich color of cobalt. Oh, specialty check glass, dawn to dusk. Oh, yes. I get so excited over beads. Oh. Ooh. Oh, look at these. So let me see here. It says bursting sun coin red Picasso copper wash. That has to be that one right here. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And then table cut swallow oval crystal red. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute here. Okay, that's these. Oh, look at that. It's a swallow bird on them. I didn't know what that meant by swallow. I was like, what? Look at these with the Picasso finish. And then there's also these two. They're not on the... They're not on. So these are all the ones that I got. So beautiful. These would make some beautiful earrings. And these two. And these. This would be a beautiful pendant. Oh, I can't wait. Put them all in there and put the little piece of paper in there. Okay. Next is check glass faceted rondelle fuchsia copper 7x5mm 25 pieces. These are, I can see the sparkle from here just through the bag. Oh my gosh. These are just, I'm in awe every time I open up Sam's beads. They're just so gorgeous. Okay. Check glass fire polish faceted Hishi creme brulee 6x5mm 60 pieces. I'm excited. I'm doing a market. I think it's in the middle of March. Oh, these are so pretty. And I'm working on like a bunch of earrings and stuff, like lower priced items that, you know, because sometimes I have a few higher priced items, but when I do markets, I like to have a lot more lower priced ones just because people come and they just want to, you know, support your business and buy little things from you. Okay, check glass wave orange poppy. So I have just been like so busy making earrings. Oh, these are cool. Now these would make some really funky earrings. I could see these with like maybe a little like tassel hanging from the bottom. And you want to make sure that when you're doing earrings, they're not too heavy. These are beautiful. Okay. Indian cut carnelian irregular gradient rectangle 4x7mm 13-inch strand. Oh, so pretty. Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, what do we have here? Check glass struck round orange. I can never say this word. Hyacinth. Mix 4mm 150 pieces. Oh, look at those. Oop. Oop. No, 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 no. You can't go away. Those are absolutely beautiful. Oh, no, 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 stay here. Okay. Indian cut grade BC ruby pebble heated 3x6mm 4-inch strand. Oh, these are pretty. Look at how pretty those are. It's got like purplish, kind of reddish. They kind of look like Merlot. Kind of a Merlot wine to me. Some of the darker colors in there. Beautiful. Okay. Check glass pressed bicone cobalt 8mm 10 grams, 25 pieces. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Love, love, love. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. Check glass freeform coin fire mix 19mm 4-piece set. These are gorgeous. Oh, these are pretty. These scream earrings. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm going to probably be able to make about 100 pairs of earrings out of these if I wanted to. Okay, and these are check glass faceted rondelle lavender amethyst luster 7x11mm 10 pieces. Oh, look at these. These are absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and these are check glass pear brio gold dust evening glow 12x15mm 4 pieces. Oh wow, look at the gold sparkle on them. If you can see it in the if that's too close. It is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I love leaves. Check glass leaves, topaz, AB, 9x13mm, 25 pieces. I will show you when I'm done just a couple pairs of the earrings that I've made. So pretty. And I have used a lot of Sam's bead box for my earrings. This is check glass dagger cobalt 80 5x16mm 15 pieces. I love these daggers. I love hanging them on the ends of my oh, these are pretty. These are gorgeous. They're just such good quality beads. And last but not least, made in the USA, temple clasp set antique copper plate, 22mm 1 set lead free. That's pretty. I'm not going to take that out because it's inside the, and it's on both sides. Very pretty. Very pretty. Well, Sam has outdone himself again, I will tell you. But I wanted to show you just a few of my earrings that I made. I was going to save them for another one, but these are one of the pairs that I made. I'm working on a bunch for this market that I'm going to. And I just love these. Like, these are from Sam's Bead Box, a lot of these. Some of these are from Dollar Bead Box. But I absolutely love, I have become like an earring addict. And believe it or not, my ears actually, one of my earlobes is ripped from wearing heavy earrings back in the day. Let's see, here's another pair. Getting them off my little thing here. These are cute. These are my sugar skulls. Some of these are beads from my own stash, and some are, I thought they were really cute. I've just been sitting here having a blast in my bead room, just making earrings. That's the one fun thing about doing a market is, you know, I don't list anything on my Etsy store until afterwards, because if you end up selling it and then you took time to list it, it's kind of a pain in the patootie. Here's another pair. I will do another video just of earrings that I've made, but here's another pair. these are just, these were from Sam's bead box. I think, you know, this is from a, but, yeah, I think these are really pretty. And then these little ones, I got these a long time ago from an Etsy store. They're 15 O's, Miyuki, matte red Picasso. They're such a, I don't know if you can see the Picasso, and they're so pretty, but, you know, just added them in like that for a little more flair. So thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely be checking back this week with everything I've made from this, because this is going to be way too fun. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And please share my videos with any of your friends that you think might be interested. Let me know in the comments how you like this and if you would like to see any other types of videos. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below, so just click on them to take you there. I also have my Etsy store link below if you'd like to follow me on there. Just click on that. Thank you again, and see you soon on my next video. Have a great day.